Okay, so hello guys. Today we are going to solve problem based on stack. Okay, so the problem is find the area of what? Find the largest rectangle in histogram. Okay, uh, so here I'm going to share my screen with you that everything will be visible to you. Okay, so this is the problem. Largest rectangle in histogram. Okay, so given an array of integer heights. Okay, so you can see here I have heights, that is I mean all heights in integer. Okay, so given an array of integer heights represent the histogram's bar height. Okay, so it will represent the histogram heights. Okay, where the width of each bar is 1. Okay, each bar has same width, that is 1, and return the area of the largest rectangle in the histogram. Okay, so here you can see the above in a histogram where width of each bar is 1 and the largest rectangle is shown in the red area, which is has an area that is 10 unit. Okay, so this is the maximum area. Largest rectangle is shown in the red like this. Okay, which has an area that has 10 units. Okay, and another example I have 4 4 2 2 4. Okay, so here height equals to 2 and 4 and output is equals to 4. Okay guys, so we are going to calculate histogram. The largest rectangle is shown in the red area, which has an area 10 unit. So we are going to find out area of largest rectangle in a histogram. Okay, so here I have this sheet. Okay, so here dried, and you can see here I have input like this 2 and 1. I'm going to take some small example, that is 2 and 1. Okay, so here they took example with 215623. Okay, I'm just taking 2 unit, that is 2 and 1, and sentinel. After adding sentinel it will become 2 comma 1 and 0. Okay, and index is 0 1 and 2. Okay, so 2 has index 0, at index 1 I have 1, at index 2 I have 0. Okay, and initially we need to create a stack. Okay, that is empty stack. Okay, and maximum area is equals to 0 initially. Okay, so these are the rule. Stack store indices. Okay, and stack keeps bars in increasing height order. Push rules. Okay, if a stack is empty or current height is greater than equals to height at the stack top, then we need to push index. Okay, so this is for push. Okay, here. Okay, pop rule. If current height is less than height at the top, at the stack top. Okay, and this is for push. Okay, so now I have this table. Okay, we are going to take I equals to 0 1 2 whatever from here. Okay, so first of all I need to create one function, that is I'm going to define one function def. Okay, so here largest rectangle, this is my function name. Okay, before this I need to create one class. Okay, so here this is our class. Okay, so this I'm not going to use markdown, so that's why I am going to change this into a Python cell. Okay, here this is the class equals to solution. Okay, this is the function name. Here I need to write columns, and here I am going to pass self and height. Okay, so heights, these are the heights as an input, 1 2 1. Okay, now after this, okay, I am going to create a stack that should be empty. Stack equals to empty list. Okay, so we can store the indices. So here we need to store indices. Okay, and here I am going to write variable that is maximum area. So initially it is 0, and after this height I'm going to use height, I'm going to append here HEIG at heights dot append. Okay, 0, here it is for sentinel. So here I'm going to write sentinel, sentinel. Okay, and here I'm going to use loop for I in range length of height. So here I'm going to pass heights. Okay, so what is the length of our height? Okay, so I have three elements, 2, 1. Okay, initially we have two elements, but after adding 0, I have three. Okay, now I mean it will iterate, this loop will iterate from 0 to 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so here I we need to take I like this, I equals to 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so here I'm going to use loop while stack and heights. Height I is less than height of stack. Height of stack means top element. Okay, here I'm going to add columns. Okay, so after this I need to calculate h. So h equals to height, here stack dot pop. Okay, so first of all I am going to take 2. Okay, so here I equals to 0 and height equals to 2, height I, so that is 2. At index 0 I have height equals to 2. Okay, so we are going to check here loop for I in the range of length of, okay, length of heights. Okay, so here for I, here inside this, while stack and height of I is less than stack minus 1 means top element of height. Okay, so initially we have stuck empty stack like this. Okay, like not like this, exactly this. Okay, so because previously I defined stack equals to infinity, I mean empty list, sorry, not infinity, empty list. Okay, so here you can see here I have 2 and stack is empty. Okay, so stack is empty. So here after this, um, this condition is false. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to calculate width. So here I'm going to write if stack has some element inside this, then we are going to calculate w equals to width. Okay, so I minus stack, here inside this I am going to pass minus 1. Okay, and if this condition is false, then I'm going to execute this w equals to I. Okay, and it is used for calculate the area. So here max area is equals to max, and here I'm going to pass max area comma h asterisk w. And here after this I am going to append stack dot append I. Guys, this is for push. Okay, so I'm going to write this is for push. And here we are going to return maximum area. Okay, and this is for testing purpose. Wait a minute. I just need to copy and paste it here. I will explain one by one everything. Wait a minute. Okay, so I got final answer that is 4. Okay, I need to remove this. I only have 2, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, so answer is 2. Okay, so first of all, I already initialized stack equals to empty and maximum area equals to 0 and height equals to, sorry, height dot append 0 for sentinel. Okay, so here I'm going to use loop. So for I in the range of length of heights. Okay, so you can check here what is the height of your input. Sorry, length of input. Okay, so here I have 3 element inside this. Okay, so we can apply loop I equals to 0, I equals to 1 and I equals to 2. Okay, so here I am using while loop. So stack and stack heights. Okay, so initially I have empty stack. Okay, and height of stack. Sorry, height of I, that is 2. Actually, I am going to take 2. This, okay. So height at index I equals to 0. I have 2. Okay, so it's less than stack minus 1 means top element of the stack. But initially I have empty stack. Okay, so this condition will fail here. Okay, so we don't need to calculate edge and width. Okay, and area also. Okay, so here you can see here stack empty. Okay, and area is also like I'm not going to calculate area and width and height. Okay, but here initially I have height append 0, so here we are going to append stack append I means I have I equals to 0. Okay, so here I add the I here. Okay, I equals to 0, so now I have 0 inside this. Okay, so you can write like this. Inside this I have 0 now. Okay, now we are going to move with I equals to 1. Okay, so you can see here I equals to 1 at index 1. What is our height? That is also 1. Okay, so before our stack is 0 because I already store here 0 here inside this stack. Okay, so here we can see here. Okay, so I equals to now 1. Okay, so stack. Okay, so inside this stack I have 0 and height of I means 1. Okay, so I have 1. 1 is less than height of stack minus 1. Okay, so I, sorry, 1 minus 2, height of stack minus 1 means I have top element that is 2. So here we can check like this, 1 is less than 2. Okay, so this condition is true. So first of all I need to remove 0 that I have added in previous execution. Okay, so here height, and I am going to remove 0 from this. Okay, so h equals to height stack dot pop. So here I am going to remove 0. Okay, now after this I am going to calculate with w. Okay, so I equals to 1. Here you need to write I equals to 1. Okay, so I equals to 1 and stack, what is the last element that you have? 2. Mm-mm. So I got 1 here. Okay, stack minus 1 means top element that is 2. Okay, so I got width equals to 1 and height is 2 here. Okay, I think w equals to I. So what is our w? Width is equals to I means I have 1. So guys, this condition will execute, okay, because we don't have any element in the stack. Okay, so now stack will because a stack is 0, okay, previously, and after removing 0 I have empty stack. Okay, so here I need to follow this condition. Okay, so this will false, and here w equals to I, that is 1, because I equals to 1. Okay, and you can calculate maximum area. Okay, so here maximum area. Okay, and you need to pass height and width. Okay, so what is the height? Height is 1, and width is, sorry, height is 2 and width is 1. Okay, so you got 2 here. Okay, after this, okay, we move here. Actually, we are going here. I'm going to take another example. Okay, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so again, uh, I am going to take 1, 1, 1. So height is 1 is 1. Okay, now stack is empty. Before stack our empty. Okay, so we are going to push one element, that is stack dot append. I am going to push 1 inside this here. Okay, and now stack will become 1. I have one element in stack, that is 1. Okay, then you can check here, area is same as previous. Okay, now we are going to move here at index 2, what I have 0 in heights. Okay, so here I am going to take 0. Okay, and stack before I have one inside this. Okay, and here I am going to check 0 is less than 1, means height and stack. Okay, so here we are going to check this condition, 0 is less than height. Yes, this condition is true. Now we are going to remove 1. Okay, we are going to use this h equals to height stack dot pop. Okay, so previously I have 1 inside this stack. Oh, now I am going to remove this by using pop. Okay, by using this line. So here height is equals to 1. Okay, and and w equals to 2, because I have I equals to 2. Here w will become 2. Now we can calculate area, that is 1 into 2 is equals to 2 by using this line. Okay, so area will be 1 into 2, that is 2. Okay, now stack is empty. Okay, after removing 1, stack is empty. Okay, and maximum area is 2. Okay, so here height is 0, stack is also empty here. Okay, stack is empty. Now we are going to push 2. Okay, here by using this, because it is an index. Every time we need to push. Okay, then stack is 2 and area, maximum area is 2. Now I finished my loop. Okay, and our output is maximum area is 2. I hope guys you got it. uh, okay, so I'm going to explain again. Okay, so you have height, and after adding sentinel it will become 2 comma 1 and 0. Okay, index is this 0 1 2. At index 0 I have 2, at index 1 I have 1, at index 2 I have 0. Okay, initially stack should be empty and maximum area equals to 0. Okay, stack store indices, and stack keeps bar increasing height order. Okay, so push rule, if a stack is empty or currently height is greater than equals to height at the stack top. Okay, and push index, and I mean pop rule, if currently height is less than height at stack top. Okay, so here I need to take this, at I equals to 0 I have 2 first. Okay, so before I have stack equals to empty list. Okay, so we need to check here, because our stack is 0, so we don't need to follow this condition. Okay, these will be I mean fail, or we can't calculate area also, because we don't have any height and width, and stack is also empty. So here I need to just append I means I, so that is 0. Okay, now our stack has 0 indices, And after this I need to take I equals to 2, sorry, I equals to 1. Okay, so here I equals to 1 and stock is 0 because I already added 0 here. Okay, now we need to compare this height and stack. Okay, so 1 is less than 2. In this condition we are going to calculate, I mean check, 1 is less than 2. Yes, this condition is true. Then we need to remove 0 because I have 0 inside this stack. Okay, so h equals to height stack dot pop. Pop means you need to remove last element. Okay, so last element is 0 inside our stack. Okay, so here after calculating height, h equals to height and stack minus pop. Okay, so here here inside this, okay, inside this I am going to calculate width. Now height is 2. Okay, and I'm going to calculate width. Okay, so stack now, our stack is empty. Okay, here stack is empty, so we need to follow this condition. Okay, so w equals to I means I equals to 1, so w will become 1. Okay, here, and we can calculate area, that is 2 into 1 equals to 2 by using this. Area is 2 into 1 is equals to 2. Okay, now I need to append I in stack. Okay, now stack is 1 here. Here, so I equals to 1, height is also 1. Okay, stack before empty. Okay, now I'm going to push here 1. Okay, so stack will become 1 here and area as it is as previous. Okay, now I am going to move here. I'm going to take I equals to, sorry, at index 2 I have I equals to 0. Okay, so at index 2 I have height, that is 0. Okay, so previously I have stack, that is one element 1. Okay, we are going to check this condition. I is less than 0, this one, oh sorry, this condition. Okay, I is less than 1, yes, 0 is less than 1. Okay, sorry, height of I, okay, is less than height stack minus 1 means 0 is less than 1. Okay, so this condition is true, so we are going to remove 1 because I added 1 after 0 here. So I need to remove 1 from here. Now our stack is like, here you can see stack is 1 and after removing it will become empty. Okay, so I don't need to check this condition. I will execute this condition. So w equals to 2 because I equals to 2, that is w. Okay, now we can calculate maximum area, 2 into 1, that is also 2. Okay, and I'm going to append this into a stack. Okay, in this line. Okay, height equals to 0, stack is empty, and stack we are going to push 2. Now stack will become 2. Okay guys, so I hope you got it. And this is for testing purpose. Height equals to 210 and object, this is the object of class solution. Okay, and here result object dot function name, this is the function name and these are the heights, these one. Okay, print the result. So I got final answer, maximum area, that is 2. Okay guys, so I hope you got it.